Hi, my name is Marcel. This is my wife Bonnie.
Hello.
We're from Wilmington, North Carolina. Just recently learned Stain and Seal Experts products. We're really excited about using them. The ease and application behind it is unmentionable. This class has been awesome. There's nothing else like it around. The friendship that you develop and the fellowship is awesome. Any kinds of questions, concerns that you may have, nobody has a problem going ahead and giving you insights and little tips and tricks. And we look forward to coming to another class.
How you doing? My name's Stephen Easter. Here today at the Stain and Seal University to further our education. I always think you should further your education in any field you're in. We've been doing this for 4 years now, so I mean a lot of the process we already knew, but they broke it down even further, showed us more tips and tricks. Guys with 20, 30, 40 years experience are here teaching, so I mean that's an awesome thing. I think Caleb's doing a good job with his products. He's doing a great job marketing them. All we use is Stain and Seal Experts. I mean, for the last 3 years now, it's only been Stain and Seal Experts for us. High quality stain, does an outstanding job, and we highly recommend them.
I had a great experience. It seemed like a 4-year college education in one day. Learned a lot and was able to share experiences with other people that I don't compete with but have the same pains and understandings that I have. So it was real nice to be able to bounce things off of others. I also learned a lot about experts that have been doing things a little differently than I, so I can learn and incorporate what they do to make us a better company. So I really recommend the university.
Just wanted to speak a little bit in regards to the Stain University today. It was super helpful, highly recommended. Got an opportunity to speak with some very successful entrepreneurs who really care about people and who want to help others achieve their dreams as well. So
pretty new to the industry. Only been in business since April of this year, 2020. I wanted to add more, give my customers more database, something I can help them with. Come to the school. There's nowhere else that you can go and get over 100 years of combined experience all in one place in just a couple of hours. There's so much that I learned. The deck staining techniques, the fence staining techniques. I highly recommend it. On the power washing side of things, and you want to add more for your customers, these guys are totally customer focused.